Pop, it's showtime. Showtime. Guess who's back again? They don't know. They don't know. I think they know as soon as we walk in. 24 karat magic in the air. Hey, so play. Look out. Okay, you ad-lib, boy,
hey,
on
you
point.
don't know what's going to happen. You know what I'm saying?
What's going on, people? It's another episode of Shoot Fly Television. As usual, I said did I say television or television?
You burning.
It's visual.
Television.
It's visual. It's your boy T.
Your boy Osama.
Today we have...
Not Bin Laden. Been copping, sorry.
Copping, yeah.
Been
Cop
copping.
the other one, yeah. So today we got a special shoe. A 24 karat celebration, if you will, you know what I'm saying? Something similar to this hat that I really don't like.
But you know, I snuck this on the table. I didn't think it was going to mind.
Yeah.
I didn't think it was going to pay no attention.
I noticed. But, yeah. But today, let's just go ahead and pull it out. Let's just get right into it.
Whip it out like that? Well, whip it out, man.
So,
Whip it out.
what Kevin Hart say? Sometimes you just gotta whip it out, son.
Sometimes you just gotta whip it out. Whip that motherfucker out.
So, right here we have the Gold Toe Air Jordan 1. Can I be honest?
Very.
I kind of like these better than I like the complex cons.
Me too.
Why do you like them better then?
I mean, the complex ones was kind of like a cheap knockoff of the, what were those?
Top three?
Top threes. Yeah.
Me, I'm kind of on the same wavelength because it's just uniformity.
It's uniform.
It's not
one color.
Yeah, exactly. It's
Bam.
not confusing, jumbled all over the place. Like it's consistent because.
Exactly.
So to get into it on this version, both shoes are going to feature the gold on the toe box area instead of the white, then the gold on one. The side panel right here is going to have the white, and then you got your black Nike check with the gold on the back for both versions, but then on this side, you're going to have the black. You know what this kind of reminds me of, except not split?
What?
The Home to Homage that's coming out.
Oh, yeah.
Because you got on the Home to Homage,
True.
it's split down the middle, and then you got the one side like the Chicago on one side like the B-Red.
Yes.
But I'm not gonna lie, I do like the fact that they did the black on this side.
Yeah,
It make it look clean
the white
as
pops,
hell.
of course. White always pops.
So
Black on the inside.
only bad thing about this shoe is it's stiff. It's stiff like the morgue, man. Like this, this thing, like, like this, like it's stiff. So
Too tight on the foot.
Do you honestly think you would have went a half size up, or are you cool with the size that you got?
No, I'm not cool with the size I got. I would have went 9.5 had I known these fit that tight.
Yeah, they are tight.
I had no idea.
And this is because this is his shoe, but I tried it on too because he wanted me to see how stiff it was. Because at first I'm like, bro, it ain't that bad. And I put it on, I'm like,
try that motherfucker on.
yeah, bruh. Yeah,
it's bad.
Yeah, it's
bad.
stiff. It really is
It's
stiff.
bad.
So that's the only knock that I would have on the shoe. Like I said, me myself personally, I do like this version better than the complex con version because it's more consistent.
Yes.
It has a basic theme. It's not all over the place. Not to say that shoe wasn't dope, but just because it's more uniformed, it looks a lot cleaner to me. And then I like the gold. It looks like
on the toe box.
you know what I'm saying. It looks cleaner with the gold on this one
word of the day.
and this one. You know what I'm saying.
Uniformity.
Concept, dope shoe, nice shoe.
Mm-hmm.
I like it. I like it a lot. Wish I had a pair.
I do like it a lot.
Maybe one day.
Definitely like it
Maybe
a lot.
one day. You know?
Yeah, you'll get one.
So
pretty sure.
this has been it's just a real quick look at the gold toe ones, you know what I'm saying? Because we got them in our hands, you know what I'm saying? We wanted to let you guys out there know what we thought of them, you know, this 24 karat magic right here, you know what I'm saying? So in the comments, let us know what you think about them. Let us know how you like them, you know what I'm saying? Because that's what we want to hear. We want to hear from you. We want to know your opinion on them. As usual, it's your boy T.
Your boy Osama Bin Laden.
Shoot Fly TV, and we are out.